Why does the thought of public speaking send chills running down your spine? Is it the fear of making mistakes, the fear of judgment, or the sheer terror of standing in front of a crowd? Fear not, because today we're going to tackle the process of learning public speaking in clear, manageable steps. Firstly, understand the root of your fear. Is it a fear of the unknown, a fear of criticism, or perhaps a fear of forgetting your lines? Identifying this fear will help you to address it directly and overcome it. Now let's move on to the first step in learning public speaking. Preparation. Preparation is key, and it involves understanding your topic, knowing your audience, and structuring your speech. Start by researching your topic thoroughly. Know it like the back of your hand. Then consider who will be listening to your speech, what interests them, what questions might they have. Finally, structure your speech in a way that is logical, engaging, and easy to follow. The second step is practice. Practice helps to build confidence and improve delivery. Repeat your speech aloud in front of a mirror or to a trusted friend or family member. Record yourself and watch it back. Look for areas of improvement like body language, tone of voice, and pace. Thirdly, learn to manage your nerves. Everyone gets nervous, but successful public speakers know how to use their nerves to their advantage. Techniques such as deep breathing, visualization, and positive self-talk can help to calm your nerves and boost your confidence. The fourth step is to engage your audience. Make eye contact, use gestures, and vary your tone and pace to keep your audience interested. Remember, a speech is not a one-way communication. Encourage questions, seek feedback, and respond to your audience's reactions. Lastly, reflect on your performance. What went well? What could you have done better? Use this self-evaluation to improve your future speeches. To summarize, learning public speaking is a journey that involves understanding your fear, preparing thoroughly, practicing regularly, managing your nerves, engaging your audience, and reflecting on your performance. Remember, everyone starts somewhere, and with dedication and practice, you too can become a confident and effective public speaker. So, take a deep breath, step up to the podium, and let your voice be heard. The world is waiting to listen.